You know the old saying, winner, winner, eggs for dinner. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you how to make a nutrient-packed sheet pan recipe using eggs that's easy to prepare and easy to love. Sweet potato and egg oven bake. To get started, preheat an oven to 425 degrees. While that's heating up, spray a large baking pan with non-stick cooking spray, then set aside. Next, cut one large sweet potato into chunks and have 12 ounces of Brussels sprouts. Add these pieces to a large mixing bowl. After that, top the veggies with 2 tablespoons of Gustari Vita olive oil, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of ancho chili powder, and sprinkle with Hy-Vee salt and ground black pepper. Toss this gently to coat and spread out the mixture on the prepared baking pan. Roast the pan in the oven for about 15 minutes. Once that's done, remove the pan from the oven and evenly distribute 1 15-ounce can of drained and rinsed Hy-Vee black beans, plus a half cup of Hy-Vee frozen sweet corn. With a large spoon, create 5 indented spaces in the pan and place a red pepper ring in each. Next, gently crack 1 large egg in each space, keeping the yolk intact, and season each egg with additional salt and pepper. Don't forget to eat the yolks, folks! Nearly half of an egg's protein and most of its vitamins and minerals are found in the yolk, including choline, which helps support brain health. After that, return the pan to the oven and bake for another 10 to 12 minutes. Once that's done, garnish with fresh cilantro and you're ready to serve. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. And for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, follow us on Facebook or Instagram at Hy-Vee Dietitians.